gonna be unboxing the FS-1 by Pulsar. Their esports division in a collaboration with Vaxi. Yeah. FragWatch here. They were going to be unboxing the Pulsar ES FS-1, an esports mouse collaboration that they have with Vaxi. Let's get in it. Okay. Oh, I don't even need the knife, maybe? They got little pulley boys here and there. Yeah, here's a box. It's still just a box. These boxes are still boxes. We're going to unbox them. Yeah. Okay. Let's get this going here. Take a little sip. This Doom Glass orange soda. Treating myself. Lost 10 pounds this month. So I'm giving myself an orange soda. I bought myself a 4-pack orange soda. Very exciting. Get this fucking tape off here. Here we go. A little slidey boy. Oh, damn. It's kind of a nice inner box. Wait till you guys see this. It's got a cutout. Whoa, look at that. It's so fucking fancy. It's like embossed right there. It says, FS-1. You're going to have a little FS-1. We're going to unbox this now. Get out here, knife. We don't need you. We don't need you. Oh, it's for so you can do this. They're like little love handles. You just, come here, baby. Let me open you up. All right. Okay. Okay. What the hell kind of dongle? Whoa, that's cool. Look at this dongle. It's got like, I don't know what the left button does, but the right button's the DPI. That's pretty neat. USB-C on the back. Okay. All right. Remove. Is there like a... Oh. Okay. Yeah, let's keep it fresh. Keeping it fresh. All right. Dang. Hey. That's pretty nice, huh? Yeah? You boys want some of that? Okay. Look at that scroll wheel. Damn, that is a smooth. There's a smooth boy. That's gonna be fun for bunny hopping. Holy shit. All right, it's got a little pulley boy here. Take out that foam. We got a little tabby boy there that I fucking tear anyways. Let's see if I can do this. Our little boxy boy here. We'll just empty the contents. All right, and our little sleeve, in sleeve number 1, we have a playing card, because of course we do, and a manual. Hopefully it just combines the manual with the warranty. It's the manual and the warranty all in one. We don't have multiple packets. Oh, and a sticker. So you can support the cause. You can support that cause. Oh, just support Pulsar. Support Pulsar. Stick it to your chest. Support Pulsar. And the cord is okay. Ooh, actually, that's really nice. Damn, that's really nice. Wear it as a necklace. You could wear it as a necklace. You could wear it as a bracelet. Maybe some rings. Look at all these fucking rings I got. I got rings all over the place. They all glow in the dark. Testing them out for some raves. Check that out. Look at this watch. That shit. It's real dinosaur bone. T-Rex fossil. Cut that shit up and put it in my watch. Thanks, America. All right. This dongle's sweet. That got me excited. Yeah. Damn. All right. That's the unboxing of the Oh, that Pulsar ES FS-1. Woo! Symmetrical, narrow waist and low hump. I can't control the video with this. It's not plugged in yet. Here, I'm going to give you That's weird. This part feels bizarre. It's a welcome shape after the Super Strike. Okay. Anyways, take it easy.